Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In last video, we are discussing about how we can assign lead by using lead assignment rules and queues. In today's video, we are going to learn about matching rules in Salesforce CRM. Now imagine this situation. A sales executive creates one lead with the name of Alex with one phone number. A few minutes later, another user creates the same lead again with same name and same phone number. Then another user create it one more time. Now Salesforce has three records for the same person with the same name and same phone number. Now Salesforce has three records with same person name and phone number. So this creates duplicate data, confusion, reporting issues, and poor customer management. So how we can prevent this in Salesforce? So that's exactly where matching rules comes into the picture. If you watch this video until the end, by the end of this video, you will learn what is matching rule, why they are important, how we can create matching rules, and also we discuss one real-time example with business requirement. So first, we need to understand what is matching rule in Salesforce. A matching rule tells Salesforce which fields should be compared to identify the duplicate records. Simply, we can say like this is the matching rule in Salesforce. We call it as duplicate detection engine. So when new lead is created, Salesforce compares a value with existing records. If the values match, Salesforce flag it as a potential duplicate. For example, in business scenario, we can say like, imagine a customer named Ravi submits a lead. So existing lead Ravi Kumar and phone number is something and lead source is website. A few minutes later, another lead is created. The name is Ravi K with the same phone number and the lead source is also website. Salesforce compares phone number and lead source and it is already exist. So the system show like duplicate lead exists in the system like that. Why use phone number and lead source? Many customers use different names and different emails, but usually same phone number and same lead source will be common. So that's why we will take phone number and lead source for the creating matching rule. So that's why phone number becomes a strong duplicate identifier. So how we can create matching rule? So first we need to click on gear icon, go to setup, matching rule. So you simply open that matching rules, then click on new rule because we are creating new rule. So that's why in this we need to select the which object we creating this matching rule. Currently I need to create this matching rule for the lead object. So that's why I will select lead. So then click on next. Once you click on next, in here we need to enter the rule name. So I will enter like lead phone duplicate. So then in here we need to enter the matching criteria. So the condition is we need to select the lead phone number. So we have one option like we have one field like phone number. Select that one and in here matching method is exactly means the number should be exactly matched. Then we need to add one more matching criteria that is lead source. So then it should be exactly matched. So phone number and lead source should be exactly matched. Then only we need to show that lead as duplicate. Otherwise, we need to automatically save that lead without showing any error. So then click on save. So now we save the particular matching rule. Then we need to click on activate. So what happened? We just simply activate this rule. Okay. So if you don't activate, rule don't work. So now this is the how we can create matching rule in Salesforce. So this is very important configuration in Salesforce. In the next video, we will discuss how actually matching rule works with duplication rules. If you found this video is helpful, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.